Hello, guys. I come to you today to talk about man versus nature. Man versus nature and the consequences. Man has went against a lot of things that nature, which is God, has instilled in the earth, but he's trying to do everything different. So, what are the results? The situation we in now. Let's start with social distancing. God made us as a social being. Now, man is telling you it's not safe to be together social. So, you're trying to tell me God, who made a perfect being, didn't know what he was doing, but man does? That's what man is doing to you. Also, man will always tell you all these benefits with social distancing. So why on Google did he hide the knowledge of the non-benefits to social distancing from you? Because we all know there's benefits, then there's non-benefits. How come you can't find it on Google? So in other words, when you tell one lie, you have to keep creating more lies, and then you have to try to cover up truths. But the truth is in us because we have God within us. The mask is a symbol of us converting to China. So while all these small mom and pop businesses are down, who do you think is buying up these businesses under our noses while we're locked down? And also, the darkness knows that together we are strong. Divided, we're not as strong. So that's why the division, and that's why they're telling us to, stay 6 feet away and don't go outside. And also, they are causing you more harm by keeping you indoors than out and letting us be social. It's not only physical, it will also affect you mentally. Anyway, man, as this goes on and on, God is just not pleased because man, also medicine. Man has tricked you and told you chemical pills was medicine when God is like, he put medicine in his plants, in his fruits. Also, we found out that even our news that you try to rely on is not even real, as they're given a script to read, and if they don't read it, they get rid of them. So there's no more news that goes around and tries to seek truth. So that's what's going on now. It's nature versus man. So what are you going to do about it? Keep following man and don't do anything? Or are you going to follow God? And a lot of your leaders, we'll go to your leaders of the churches. They're just like Peter. Peter said, Jesus, I will never deny you. But when the times are down, where are they at? I don't hear a lot of them speaking out. If they do speak out, they say, oh, I don't want to be politically correct, or I don't want to hurt anyone. The truth is the truth. You're here on a purpose. You should speak for the truth. So, guys, you take care today. Just wanted to share that with you. What you're going through now is nature versus man. God is trying to wake up the world and shed the light on the darkness, as we didn't know to the limits that the darkness has went, but he's unveiling the light on all the darkness right now. You guys take care. Have a great day.